Howdy, Rhys here. I'm here to do a video on how to get boiling water in an instant. Without further ado, let's get to it right now. So get your thumbs up and let's make bubbling water action. Where? In my kitchen. I'll see you right there. First up, say hello to Mr. Cutey. Hey, Mr. Cutey. Okay, let's get to our what we need. And that's what you'll see right here. All you need is a pot. You'll see just here. And all you will be needing is the sink of it. What you want to do is first turn your hot water on. Make sure it is really hot water. So here is the hot water that I just turned on from here. Make sure it is nice and hot though. And then you're going to fill your pot with the hot water that is steaming away, as you can see, just right here. So here, I just take my pot, and I put it in just like this. You see? That's what it needs to be in order for you to get water to boil faster. And then you make your way to your stovetop and place it on this skillet, you see, just right here. And all you gotta do next is go to the dial and turn it on to max, like that, all the way up. You can hear it starting to heat up, and in just a few seconds, you're gonna see some bubbles starting to form in the bottom. A little bit, you can see. Right here, I'll zoom in. You can see right there. Some bubbles are starting to form a bit in the bottom. And then from there, they'll start to develop on the bottom of the pot. You can see a bubble starts to rise. Okay, you can see another bubble rises from the top. Eventually, more of them will jump up to the water top, as you can see right here. Some steam is now starting to show. A bit. More bubbles are developing now. Here I am narrating this. Okay, now we're gonna get into a little bit more of the steam coming out. More bubbles are developing at this given time. And more steam is developing as well. Look at all the bubbles on the bottom. That's quite a lot of bubbles so far. Well, bubble action. More steam now is coming out a little bit each time as the bubbles progress. I'll zoom in to where the most action is. Pretty soon, the water will eventually start to bubble a little bit more rapidly. But first, we want to get these little bubbles to do its dance first. Eventually, they're going to become more active and more bigger. Right now, more steam can be seen. Look how fast it is. As now, pretty soon, we're going to have more bubble action. And there'll be more steam being produced from it. First, you can see the red indicating that it's on. As you can see, just right here. That I'm pointing at. Back to the pot of it. You can see it's becoming a little bit more rapid. Not into a complete boil yet. But it will happen. And we're going to capture it on video. Again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. And now you can see more steam is being produced. Pretty soon it's going to bubble like crazy as it progresses. Just look at the bubbles. Millions of tiny bubbles. All that for one big steam that you're about to see when it becomes more so. I'll go from over here so you can see the steam coming out. This is done in real time, just to let you know. Real time of bubbling, percolating, bubbling water about to go into the bubbling stage. Bubbles are now becoming more rapid. And more steam is being produced at this given time. Look how rapid it is right now. I'll zoom in. Here we are with 8 minutes and counting in the video. I'll zoom out. Look now. You can see, in no time, it starts to bubble. A little bit more rapidly. Pretty soon, it's going to start burbling even more. It's like it's actually mixing. As you can see right here. You see all the bubbles now are like gone. And all that's left is vigorous churning of water. And more steam is to be seen at this given time. You can hear it. You can hear it bubbling. Wow. Now that is completely quick. That's how you get boiling hot water in an instant. Now more steam can be seen at this given time. Well, remember what I'm having? I'll show you. I'm having Annie's pasta, which is what I'm having. And cheese packet. It's just around the side, just here. And back to the water. And there you go right there. And that's how you get boiling water in an instant. From there now, I just pour my pasta in. This stops it. This stops the boiling. But look, we got a different set of bubbles. The bubbles are now on the rim here. Pasta's already inside. And you can see here's the bubbles right there. What I'm gonna do is give this a stir. Just go in, and I'll grab, not that one, I'll grab a fork. There we go. That'll be pretty good. I'll use that one. Take my fork, go into there, and just give this a mix. Close up at me stirring my pasta. You can see the bubbles now are kind of like in a milky kind of substance. You see just right there. Just around here. We'll get more bubble action a little bit as it starts to cook the pasta. So this is the bubbling action in cooking the pasta. As you can see just here. I'll keep on stirring. And just knock off the drips of my fork here. And showing on how it is cooking right now. As like foam, like bubbles are to be seen rising above, as you can see. Waiting for a bit. Fork goes in and gives it another stir. And that right there is how you get boiling water in an instant, and then you're good to go right there. As it was, I left off with that, and I'm having my pasta being in as well too. That way you guys get to see that going in as well to make it a good one. I'll see y'all back soon for more cool videos just like this. This one here goes into bubbling hot water. There, give you a tutorial on how to get yourself boiling hot water in no time. Now, gonna have to watch out for my pasta, and I'll see you all back soon. Cheers!